Welcome to a quick look at our Smartsheet Power BI integration. Today, we're showing off our easy-to-use dashboard that helps you manage everything in one place. On the left sidebar, you'll see sections for different regions, reports, and work tables. Let's start with the All Regions section. At the top, you'll see buttons for each month. Just pick a month to see data filtered by region on the US map. This section gives you important numbers like targets, revenue, total expenses, and more, so you can make smart decisions. Below, there's a table that updates as you apply filters, so you always have the latest info. At the bottom, a simple bar chart shows revenue, total expenses, and net profit, giving you a clear financial overview. Each region, Great Lakes, Midwest, New England, Northwest, South, Southeast, and Southwest has its own section for more detailed insights. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of the KPI dashboard by TEOPM, your go-to tool for smart decision-making and performance tracking.